Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming around. And if you're a new subscriber, ensure to click on the subscribe button. I share videos on social media marketing, social media management, and general social media tips that can help you to crush your business goals on social media. So, in today's video, I'm talking about ads-on services that you can render as a social media manager. Let's go to the next slide. As a social media manager, one of our core services is page management or platform management. By page or platform management, I mean, okay, you're managing a particular social media platform, e.g., you're a social media manager, Instagram page manager, a TikTok page manager, a Facebook page manager, a Twitter manager, or you're into LinkedIn management or YouTube or whatever social media that you're managing. That's one of the core services of social media management. Now, apart from this core service, what are the other services that you can render? Now, before I go into the list that talks about the list of the other services, before you choose any of these services, you have to ask yourself what is driving you towards adding all these other services. Is it passion? By passion, I mean, okay, if you are going to pick any of these add-on services, you're going to, okay, which one am I passionate about? Which one do I love to do? And if passion is not your driving force, perhaps it's money, you need an extra income, then you need to be able to develop excellence and interest in whatever add-on services you can do so that you can render an excellent services. Okay, so let's go right into the list. I have about 9 lists here. Now, number one is social media strategy. By social media strategy, you're creating a strategy for your clients. Now, you create this strategy and give it to them. Now, when you create this strategy and give it to them, they get to implement it. Do you understand? So, social media strategy is like creating a strategy. Okay, what's your business goals? This and this is how you're going to crush it. Like a step-by-step process on how they can meet their business goals on social media while the clients get to implement them by themselves. Now, number two, content calendar creation. And content calendar creation, yeah, writing out all of the you are doing the content ideation for them, writing out the content, writing out the content idea, the title, the headlines, the captions, also write putting the content workflow. If they're going to give it out to a designer, so a designer can know what is inside in each of these graphic stuff they're going to create for them. They're creating the hashtags for them. Now, that's the essence of content calendar creation. So what the client will have to do is just publishing the content. You create content for them why they publish the content by themselves. Okay, number three, we have profile audit and optimization. This service looks easy and not easy. What you do is you run a scan on the person's social media channels, and you tell them what and what is wrong and give them recommendations on how they can move from where they are to where they wish to be in their social media journey. Number four is social media coaching. Social media coaching, what you do is organize a class and you get to teach your clients, you get to teach business owners either virtually or physically on how they can use social media in the right way or in the best way. Number five is photography or videography, product photography or product videography or event videography. Now, some people don't know how to shoot quality and different angles to their photos. So, what you do here is that you help them to shoot their photos for a certain fee. Like you get to charge them the way it is appropriate in your state, your country, or in your region, or videography, kind of similar. Now, number six is content ideation and research. Sometimes we one of the problems that business owners face on social media is that they don't know what to post. And so when they come to you and tell you, okay, I need content, what you do is that you can help them draft content for, let's say, for a year, for 6 months, for 9 months, for 1 month, depending on what you and the clients decide. You understand? So content ideation is generating content for them, ideas of content for them. So they don't get to run out of content, either video format, text format, video format, single image format, carousel format, whichever, and for whatever social media channel they want it for. Number seven is community engagement. Community engagement could be is that community engagement? I meant community management. Community management. By community management, that deals with Facebook groups, Telegram groups, Instagram lives, and some of these large groups. What it does want you to do is to act like a moderator, moderating the comments, moderating the activities of that particular community, online community, so that it doesn't go astray and it's in line with the activities they've set ahead for this particular group. Some groups, some communities are so large and they have activities that they schedule for this group. So as a community manager, you get to streamline these activities and ensure that it's going according to the way the creator of the group wants it to go. And number 8 is graphic creation. If you are so good at creating graphics, whether Canva, Photoshop, or all other softwares, graphic softwares, you could be a graphic designer for some other clients. Something that you can do one time, and I mean, you just create it and you leave it alone. And number 9 is public speaking. By public speaking, like being invited to speak on a particular event, or something. Speaking in a particular event, that's what public speaking is all about. So if you're a social media manager and you've watched it, or marketer, and you've watched this to the very end, what are the other ads-on services? Did I miss any other ads-on services, or which one are you doing currently, or you're considering to do? Okay, please indicate that in the comment section, and I'll be there to reply to chat up with you. Okay, you have watched to this very point in time. You are the most very important person right now. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.